Cryptocurrency has gained enormous popularity and is currently a hot issue. The cryptocurrency market is growing more fascinating as it experiences both all-time highs and significant losses. It makes sense that people are becoming more interested in crypto trends and want to know how they will develop in 2023. So, what will cryptocurrency look like in 2023? The interest in cryptocurrencies has increased significantly. Globally, it has grown in popularity. Cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new phenomenon, therefore there is a lot to discover and learn about them. Cryptocurrency, what is it? E-wallets and computer files are where electronic money is kept. Plus, blockchain technology can be used to transfer and track it. The technology makes it possible to keep track of all updates in time order. Additionally, it keeps the data in a way that makes it publicly accessible. The fact that the current data cannot be modified is a plus. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies accessible, each with a different function. Bitcoin is one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are not an emerging technology. It is a cutting-edge solution that has the potential to change the game and improve the world. This is a glimpse of its potential. Fraud risk may be decreased. Crowdfunding can benefit from cryptocurrencies. With Bitcoin, transfers are immediate, cost nothing, and may be safely kept in the blockchain. E-commerce will become stronger as a result, expanding company opportunities. It aids in holding organizations and people responsible. It makes international financial transfers and exchanges safer. It serves as a reliable substitute for currencies that appear unstable. It is essential to keep an eye out for cryptocurrency trends given the explosive rise of cryptocurrencies in 2021. One might anticipate the emergence of a more clearly defined regulatory framework with the single-minded goal of bridging the cryptosphere with the established financial institutions. However, cryptocurrency will spread throughout society. Therefore, one must take the chance. Top 10 trends revolutionizing the cryptocurrency industry. 1. Regulating cryptocurrencies. The Bitcoin sector will keep working on exact regulation of cryptocurrencies on a global scale. Legislators are actually creating laws and implementing regulations to make Bitcoin safer for investors in Washington, D.C., and around the world. The current situation calls for greater control since it will dissuade cybercriminals. The regulation could face challenges, though, as several organizations might not have the authority to monitor everything. For investors, what would the new legislation mean? Provisions for crypto tax reporting in the $1.2 trillion infrastructure package signed by the American president in 2021 are anticipated to make it simpler for the IRS to monitor crypto activity among Americans. The new legislation is anticipated to make it easier for investors to track any capital gains or losses on their cryptocurrency holdings. The new regulations may also make it simpler for investors to properly disclose cryptocurrency transactions. In already unpredictable markets, regulatory news may have an impact on the price of cryptocurrencies. Many experts do, however, reaffirm that regulation is advantageous to the sector. In the end, reasonable regulation will transform the game for everyone. 2. Approval of crypto ETF. A significant development occurred in 2021 with the launch of the first Bitcoin ETF on the New York Stock Exchange. The innovation is a new, more traditional way to invest in cryptocurrencies. Investors can immediately purchase cryptocurrency through conventional investing brokerages with the Bitcoin ETF. The investors can do this using their existing accounts at Fidelity or Vanguard, for example. Although the fund may be connected to Bitcoin, some experts claim that the Bitcoin ETF is insufficient because it may not own the cryptocurrency directly. The fund has contracts for Bitcoin futures. While Bitcoin futures generally mirror the movements of the actual cryptocurrency, according to experts, they may not directly reflect the price of Bitcoin. Investors might want to keep holding out for a Bitcoin ETF as a result. The SEC has previously thought about approving ETFs in this situation, but Bitcoin is the first to receive support. A crypto ETF like Bitcoin will ultimately carry the same level of risk as any other crypto investment. 3. Bitcoin will continue to face pressure. Even after reaching a peak of about $70,000 in 2021, Bitcoin may continue to be under pressure. When the year began, Bitcoin had reached $29,000. Investors anticipate a bearish trend in the established cryptocurrency in 2023 as a result of the significant gains. Some experts predict that Bitcoin will almost completely erase all of its gains from the last 18 months. Some experts, though, believe that Bitcoin will pick up again and eventually surpass $100,000. 4. Expected NFT market growth to continue. With the access to decentralized funding possibilities that NFTs provide, artists and producers have benefited greatly. This aspect gives them more leeway when it comes to funding their creation. The good thing about their using NFTs based on blockchain technology is that they are fairly safe. Additionally, they support ownership of the digital asset authentication. Artists and other creators who profit from access are embracing NFTs more and more. Finally, experts point out that the value of the NFT market may rise in the crypto market. 5. Web 3.0 to become more popular. The third iteration of the Internet, known as Web 3.0, is already making a lot of waves, so keep an eye out for it in 2023 and beyond. Web 3.0 offers a viable option for those who want to finance their websites independently of big businesses that operate servers or levies high fees. One advantage of Web 3.0 is the ability to customize the Internet. Moreover, preventing a single point of failure, for example, when a specific social website crashes, it will not affect the activities during the crash period. Additionally, as Web 3.0 gains popularity, it will benefit a number of other cryptocurrencies connected to the third generation of the Internet, including Helium, Live-Peer, and Ethereum. 6. Cyber warfare. A remarkable turn of events has engulfed the Bitcoin sector. According to experts, the cryptocurrency market would trend upward after 2021. However, the most recent global invasions were made possible by digital money. Crypto appears to have played a crucial role for both Russia and Ukraine in the context of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. In order to circumvent the restrictions placed on them as a result of the invasion, Russia turned to cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, the motivation stemmed from the country's efforts to limit potential restrictions brought on by the multiple sanctions. In the meantime, Ukraine requested assistance through cryptocurrency. Additionally, they unveiled a special website for everyone or any group eager to support the nation through digital assets. In this backdrop, a CoinDesk story highlighted the near to $100 million in cryptocurrency donations that Ukraine received. With little indication that the war is coming to an end, the number is likely to rise even further. In the end, the involvement of cryptocurrencies in the activities heralds the beginning of a new development in crypto warfare. On the downside, it can make you re-evaluate how cruel a decentralized financial system is. On the plus side, it might serve as a reminder of how important the sector has grown. 7. Improved features for corporate crypto, more dynamic use cases. More businesses are now choosing cryptocurrency with confidence. Some titanic companies, including Disney, Microsoft, Google, and Apple, have announced their entry into the crypto world. Additionally, one may observe a surge in the dynamic use cases for crypto assets, such as NFTs and metaverse integrations. For instance, Microsoft is developing a SharePoint-based solution in this context that will enable employees to connect with one another more effectively, regardless of their physical locations. The Virtual Office blockchain-based project aims to increase the dynamism of business communication. It's also important to keep in mind that as corporate venture interest increases, more applications for cryptocurrency goods and services could emerge. 8. The full potential of Ethereum 2.0. In December 2020, Ethereum 2.0, also known as Serenity, was launched to the commercial world. Its improvement, though, is planned to happen in phases. In the end, the Proof of Stake (POS) blockchain network's complete switchover to Proof of Work (POW) demonstrates how the most recent Serenity upgrade has not yet reached its full potential. What is to be anticipated in 2023? The switchover of Ethereum from POW to POS is anticipated to take place in 2023. Here's a sneak preview of what it will include. Lower energy use. By switching to POS, Ethereum might make the most of the processing power available to its network nodes. The revised validation process model will result in less energy being used. Deflationary Ether, the most recent upgrade, which combines EIP 1559 and POS, will cause the available supply to be reduced. The potential generation of scarcity could lead to an increase in the token's value. Scalability, the replacement of the random hash power, statistics, will help to keep block sizes small. With the update, users will be able to operate a validating node effectively even with standard hardware. As a result, more validators will be added, which will increase transaction speeds. With Ethereum's many advantages, one might anticipate that usage will increase as 2023 progresses. 9. More Layer 2 smart contracts. Smart contracts for Layer 2, L2, are gaining popularity, and experts believe that this trend will continue. Because they have their own settlement layer, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum fall under the category of Layer 1 cryptocurrencies. Blockchain networks at Layer 1 cannot scale, though. In order to gain higher scalability, it was thought that a different framework, i.e., Layer 2 smart contracts, should be built on top of them. Because they enable the infinite scaling of cryptocurrencies, L2 smart contracts are crucial for achieving widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies. 10. Continue with crypto promoting the use of green energy. Due to their detrimental effects on the environment, cryptocurrencies have come under fire. For instance, just in the United States, Bitcoin mining generates an estimated 40 billion pounds of carbon emissions. The proof of work, POW, requires the usage of energy produced from fossil fuels because of the considerable carbon emissions. However, the aspect is gradually shifting as new blockchain networks routinely begin to use more environmentally friendly consensus techniques. It's interesting to note that the acceptance of green energy has been strongly influenced by efforts to develop a more sustainable consensus system. In the end, there will be a lot of Bitcoin speculation. But in actuality, it's still a relatively new investment. Therefore, it is crucial to keep an eye out for trends. As business owners, you might also decide to help investors by providing a strong cryptocurrency app. Although there will be ups and downs in the value of cryptocurrencies, the trends appear to be positive, and now is a good moment to start looking into the market.